The French toast. We got the Texas toast, half and half, vanilla, cinnamon. This is for the eggs, and then there's the eggs. So we're getting started. Alright guys, I'm back in the store, and this is the product I was talking about that I want to try, like, just at first I had on my khaki cargos, but maybe if they were just like regular cargos, they would be cute. But this is the outfit. The shoes with it. And then I'm gonna wear my like salmon type like bag. Hey guys, my name is Kenyatta and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, then what's good? How you doing? How you living? What is up? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Thursday and I am about to learn how to make some French toast. Yes, I do not know how to make French toast. There's a lot of things I don't know how to cook. So Jermaine has a late start to his day. So he ran to Jeremiah's school to drop something off for Jeremiah, and then when he gets back, we are going to make some French toast. So I was like, we got the vlog. This should be interesting. And then I need to go to, we are living at the beauty supply store this year because I'm trying to get back in my natural hair content, all the things. So in order to do that, it's like we got to live at the beauty supply store. I want to do a one product wash and go. It's really one product. I'm like trying to be careful with the wording because it's not one product being used. It's more like one product styler, like wash and go. But I haven't figured out like what I'm gonna call it, but I know I've seen it before. Like, you know, sometimes when people style their hair, like when you get to the parts of style, you use multiple products. Myself, I use like 2 to 3. But with this one, we're gonna try to use one. I've been trying to use this class. Oops is right. What is going on over here? Clearly Bro is up and in here making a ruckus, but I saw this product. It's a curls styling gel. There's like 3 of them, all for different purposes. I know one's for like wash and go. I think one might have been like twist out, braid out, something. But this was for wash and go, and it's like $5.99. So I want to try it because you know curls is expensive. Curls can, you know, products be like $14.99 a piece. So $5.99 styler gel. We're gonna give her a try. So I do need to go do that. So I don't know if I'm doing that today since Jermaine's home, like in the morning, or if we're just gonna wait till Saturday. I'll talk to you guys when we're making the French toast. Okay guys, so we're getting started. I'm actually doing the dishes, but Jermaine's making bacon. And this is our stuff for the French toast. We got the Texas toast, half and half, vanilla, cinnamon. This is for the eggs, and then there's the eggs. So we're getting started. No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, 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 but
wanna meet your maker, darling. Oh, you running out of time, huh? The time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the future. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same old thing. No. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, bless me, bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Why you wanna play so bad? 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 But you know it's real. But you know it's you gotta get 2 times too fast to feel. Cause you claim you see things when you on DMT. But I see the same things before I go to sleep. God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane.
Screaming like a siren, talking about me. And I know she belongs, and she know I'm the boss, and she know don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you done to me. Just don't take this personal. You ain't true, you ain't special till I made you so. I can't lose when I'm with you. Ain't home when you're not, or the room when you're not. I'm saying I can't lose. Alright guys, I'm back from the store, and this is the product I was talking about that I want to try, like, to style my hair with. Just this gel. It's the Curls Ultimate Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel. It says firm hold, and then it's for wash and go. So I'm gonna do a video on this. Just wanted to show you guys. I'm not doing anything for the rest of the day, but I did want to show y'all this product. Hey guys, today's Saturday and we are headed to Applebee's. So I wanted to show you guys, got on my little sweater and then just like some cargo pants, and then I'm gonna wear my little boots I got from Kohl's, like the little pink ones, before, you know, because we enter into March. The weather's been a little weird. Hope you can hear me over Jeremiah's Combo Panda, but I'm like, weather's getting kind of weird. Pretty soon we ain't gonna be able to wear like, you know, fleece lined fur like type boots. So boots. At first I had on my khaki cargos, but maybe if they were just like regular cargos they would be cute, but those ones with like the flaps and they're like high-waisted, it just wasn't given for like a sweatshirt. It was like, yeah, you need to save these pants for like a bodysuit. Excuse me, booters. Something to tuck in with, basically. So yeah, can't even see, but this is the outfit. And then the shoes with it, and then I'm gonna wear my like salmon type like bag, and yeah, I just said we're headed to Applebee's, so that's where we're going. Like, oh, so I wanted to show y'all. It came in the mail today, and my sister got me a surprise. She got me a planner with a sloth. I love sloths, if you didn't know. And then look at this mug. This mug is so fitting, and I was doing it today, editing day. It's so cute. I was like, this is such a surprise that it's so cute. Okay, Let go.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spent with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, you miss. I said, well, dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. You just one, two step, one, two step. Now, with the music, it's moving too fast. Now, my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah. That you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. Are you trying to leave? just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Oh. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Oh, listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get me 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you.